I think I brought everything that we need to do your makeup for tonight. I'm so excited for you. I know you've been looking forward to this for a while. So, are we going with like a more dramatic or kind of more natural look? Like an in-between? Okay, yeah, I got you. Don't worry about it. Let me just save this here in case I need it. I am just gonna brush out your hair. Just kind of push it back a little bit. I know you curled it earlier, so sorry. But here, just so I can put the headband in without it interfering too much. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's put this here for you. Okay. Does that feel snug? Okay, cool. Just want to make sure it's not going to fall off. Alright, I will take your word for it. Did you do your skincare prep, like sunscreen, all that? You did? Okay. Cool. So we don't have to do any of that then. So let's go in. We'll go in with the primer and then the Easy Blur foundation. Should be a pretty close color match. I'm not too worried about it, to be honest, but we'll put like extra bronzer, contour, whatever the difference is on you if we need to. I'm gonna put like a little bit more around your nose, only because I feel like it's a little bit more dry. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we'll go in with the foundation. Let me actually, I'm gonna put a little bit on the blender here. Okay. Blend the bottom here. Alright. I feel like it should be good there. Let me put this back on. So these two are done. You have a really solid base there. There are some tiny, more like acne prone areas you have. I'm just gonna, or like a little bit of redness in the corners there, that I am just going to add a little bit of that minimalistic and then kind of pat those in for you. Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right. Next step is going to be our bronzer contour. So we'll go in with the stick first. Go. Nose. Okay. Let me grab something to blend that. This could work. Okay. Looks, by the way, the color match is pretty good, so don't worry about that. Okay, and then we can go in with a little bit of, would this be considered bronzer? Yes, it is. Awesome. So let me figure figure out what shade. Should we do the lighter or like the more dark? Okay. There we go. Okay, that looks really good. I think you will love that. Next up, we'll go in with some blush. So let me grab a brush for that. I have this Say one. Let me show you the color so I can get your approval. What do you think? You like it? Okay, cool. I love it too. Okay. Can never have enough blush, honestly. Okay. Open in the middle. There you go. Looks so pretty. Alright. I actually brought a highlighting palette next. It's a Sephora illuminating palette. I've had it for a while, yes, but I swear by it. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So let's see. What kind of vibes are we going for today, do you think? You think? I kind of love the pinks. We can like mix the pink and the white if you want. Why not? I used to do that all the time when I wore highlighter. Cool. That looks really good. Next up, let's do eyeshadow. Oh wait, we have to bake, or whatever it is that you do with this thing. I know you do it, that's why I brought it. You know I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're gonna go through the motions as if I do know what I'm doing. And you can just kind of help me out. I think you like pack it in or something, and then we wait. We can like do your eyeshadow and then we take it off. Okay, because we're baking. Yeah. Okay, we have our modern Renaissance palette. So I know we're doing kind of an in-between. Are we feeling more of the reds or more of the golds, orange? Okay, understood. I think it's gonna be so pretty. Can you close your eyes? That looks so pretty on your skin. Close your eyes. So nice, so nice. Okay. Alright, let's go in with another color. I'm just going to get a different brush. There we go. Since a good shadowy blending. Let's go with red. So, so pretty, man. Perfect. And let's get a tinier one to go underneath the lash a little bit with a even darker. Look up. Okay. Look up again. Okay. That looks really good. And then I do want to curl your lashes. So, don't get scared. Put your lashes in there, please. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's do your other ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And look, I didn't pull any of them out. That is awesome. All right. Now let's add the mascara. Okay. Yeah, you already know the drill. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay. Can you look up? Cool. Can you look up? Perfect. Okay, awesome. Let me just brush your brows. They're honestly so full. You don't even need anything for them. I don't know if you agree. Okay, cool. Just want to make sure. Some of the hairs are just being a little stubborn. Okay, perfect. Are you done baking? I think you're probably done baking. So, let's just go in with this brush. Let's just wipe that off, right? Is that how it goes? I am trying my best, I swear. Alright. Oh, leg cramp, don't mind me. Oh, did you hear my hip pop? How is this already happening to me? I think it's a season change as well. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Okay, let's do your lips. Let's line them. Okay. And then I have a really pretty color here. Let me try and find it. There you go. Okay. Do this. I'm gonna take some. Sorry. There you go. You literally look so good. Let me think of what else you might need. I feel like eyebrows, eyes, that. Okay. Let me just go in with a final brush here. And then you can always do touch-ups in the bathroom because I know you're a little bit pickier than I am with like everything. No hate, no shade. Okay. Sorry, I'm not trying to whack your face, but you know, just trying to be done here. Alright, you literally look so cute. I'm obsessed with this. Okay, so I think we're done with that. Let me take this off for you. I will fix your hair here. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave it kind of tangled like that. Let me just go in with a comb here. Separate your hairs appropriately. Looks good now, I think. Let's do a final brush through the back. Alright, I think you're all set. It literally looks so good. No, trust me, you look beautiful. But anyway, go check it out in the mirror. If you need me to do any touch-ups, let me know. But I think you will be super happy with it. If you want me to do your makeup again, just let me know below. I'll see you.